Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't recorded a video in a while, but I'm back and I'm gonna record more. I'm just doing a quick intro. I'm just gonna show you what I'm using. So obviously you're gonna be needing your heart mode and some letter mode and a concha mode, which is like basically the whole thing. So yeah, you're gonna be needing a concha mode. I'm pretty sure you can get this online, but I got mine at HEB. It was like $4, something like that. It comes with conchas, the circle ones, and it comes with empanadas. So yeah, and then obviously you're gonna be needing some chocolate. I get this chocolate at HEB as well. It's by Ambrosia White Bark Coating. Before we get into the video, comment down some questions because I'm gonna be doing another video soon. I think probably this weekend. Like everything you need to know about making these hearts. So like where I get my chocolate, where I get my molds. I don't know, just like that, because I always get like a lot of questions in my past videos about like those type of questions. So yeah, just comment down below and then I'm gonna make a full video of like answering all your questions. So comment down questions that you're gonna ask me. Also guys, before I like completely leave the intro, like, comment, and subscribe. Again, comment down questions so I can answer them on my all you need to know about making hearts and stuff. I don't know. Let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so first we're gonna start off with the chocolate. I'm gonna use 4 pieces, and this chocolate I just melted in the microwave for like 4 minutes, and then it gets really melted, and all you need is to stir it. So yeah, now you stir. Alright, so now that my chocolate's all melted, I'm just gonna pour it onto my heart and move it around to the sides. Personally, I like to swirl it with the heart, but if you find it easier to move the chocolate around with the spoon, then go ahead and use the spoon. Open up, tell you let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe hard and calm. Then towards the end, I do use the spoon to get that really tip of the heart. And then once I'm done with that, I just pour out the chocolate back into the bowl. All the extra chocolate back into the bowl, and then I put it in the freezer for like 3 minutes. I don't let it get too hard. I let it get soft hard, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense. Because I find that it sticks better. The second layer sticks better when it's not super cold. So yeah, try that. So now that I take it out of the refrigerator, I like to do a second layer, but only to the sides, not to the whole heart, because I find that with this mold, it doesn't really need like 2 layers, only on the sides so that the sides don't break. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here. Alright, now that is frozen, I like to take my little spatula and scrape off the extra on the sides. So I scrape it all off. So once you're done scraping the sides, you want to tug on the side of the hearts, so it can be easier when you peel it off, but don't tug it too hard because then it will break the heart. Yeah, so be careful. Alright guys, so now you can take off the mold and reveal your creation. And I didn't let my heart get cold enough, so that one spot right there didn't cool down all the way, and I was literally looking at me trying to fix it. Like, girl, no. So yeah, I left it there because I wasn't selling this heart, so I was just gonna cover it up with the letters on top. But if you're selling it, make sure you redo it because you want it to be perfect. So yeah. Alright, now we're gonna do the strawberries real quick. Like I said, I'm not selling this hard, so ignore my old strawberries. I was gonna throw them out, but I was like, you know what, let me use them for the video, just so like I won't use some good strawberries. So yeah, ignore the fact that they're old and dried up. Yeah. So yeah, you just want to put your toothpicks in. Make sure you got your chocolate ready, and you dip away. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us. Girl, don't make the same mistakes I made when I first started. When you're dipping in strawberries, make sure you dip them all the way in, because nobody wants no half dipped strawberries, you know. So make sure you get all the way in there, and there you go. Let your emotion fall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion fall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to. And once they're dry, you want to get a pink chocolate and drizzle it right on top. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. Now for decorations, you want to start making your letters, which for me, I put eres el dulce de mi pan, which means you're the sugar to my bread, or sweet to my bread, because you know, sweet bread, get it? So yeah. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. And for the concha one, I filled in the little spots first with the pink chocolate, and then put it in the freezer, and then took it out and then filled it in with this light brown chocolate, which I made by mixing milk chocolate and white chocolate together. And now to add the letters, I first like lay out the letters and see where I want to place them to make sure like that's how I want them. And then I'm gonna take some chocolate the same color as the heart, so in case if it does, like if I do put too much and it spreads out, it's just gonna go like it's gonna blend in with the background. So you want to use the same color they use on the heart, not the letters. So yeah. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion fall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Now to decorate the strawberries, I took out the conchas. As you can see, some of them I put too much pink, but like it's okay. I only used the cute ones. So yeah, I just put the conchas on 3 strawberries, and then I made 3 little hearts and put them on the other 3 strawberries, so it can be like even out.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors open. Take that high road and hop in. You open.
Alright, we're almost done. We just gotta set it all up. I like to add chocolate underneath my hearts if they don't bring me something, so that it won't be empty. And then I put the heart, and then I put the strawberries. I set it all up, and I put the little mallet, and yeah.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Alright, then I close the box. I put my little note with my Instagram and my name, and I put a little thank you sticker, and then I wrap it up with a bowl. Alright guys, now here's me trying to break the heart with this bad mallet that I bought by accident. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please comment down some questions again, and subscribe and like the video. Bye.